Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can attach files, PDF documents, pictures, and other files to a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the text messaging app. Then, in here, open up the text conversation that you would like to attach the file. Then tap on the Add button on the left hand side. In here, choose Files. Now in Files, you can tap on the Images tab at the top to filter out images, or you can go down the list here in Recent Files, and you can include images. You can tap on Files again to attach more files. So in here, you can look for audio files. That will allow the phone to filter out all the audio files on your device. So we can insert audio file. We can look for PDF documents. So we swipe across here and tap on Documents. And this will allow us to send PDF documents. And then you can also look for other things such as large files. You can filter for files that you have received this week. You can also browse for files from online services such as Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and other services like Dropbox, depending on what you have installed on your device. The more services installed on your device, the more it will be available here for you to choose from. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your text messages window, and in here you can tap on the Send button to send to your contact. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.